Good evening and welcome back to TBI UAC TV. Today, we are taking you to a joyful event held by the TBI students of Abdul Chalim University. This event, called Ugrowth Gathering, and it is annually held by the TBI students. The reason is to welcoming freshmen of TBI so they can grow more closer relationship between the junior and the senior. Let's get more information from our reporter Rafi.
And as you can see, today I'm going to deliver some news about us. TBI students are conducting an event that called Ugrowth Gathering Fall 2. And here, as you can see, the event is already started. And also, it not attending by only the student, but also the lecturer. And unfortunately, there is a lecturer namely Ma'am Dewi, and let's go. We are going to ask her about this event. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay. Good night, ma'am. I'm go. I'm going to ask you about this event. Your opinion about this event, if you please.
Oh, okay. I think this event is very good, yeah, because this is actually like what's that? It is a kind of a gathering yeah, for the freshmen. So it is good as it can give the opportunity for the freshmen to get along with their friends, but and also their across generation as well as the lecturer. So it is a good chance for them to understand about friends as well as the department, like that.
Okay. Do you have any suggestion to make this event much better, ma'am?
Well, I think as far as I know, it's about 70% of the students are speaking English already. But I hope in the future there will be more than 70%. Yeah, it can be 99% of the students can speak English. Yeah, and probably in terms of the activities, it can be more varied. Yeah, so that it will give what's that, students, yeah, all generation together and speak together probably, yeah, in English, like that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So I think that is all that the opinion from our lecturer, and this is also the end for the news tonight.
Thank you, Rafi. What a wonderful celebration of unity and creativity. Anyways, that is all for today's news. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories right here on TBI UAC TV.